Well, greetings subscribers, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and first off, sorry about the production value, but I was not really planning on doing a product review on this steamer because I wasn't really sure how well it was going to work. So this is my new BISSELL PowerForce PowerBrush Pet, and why does that matter? Well, I was going to rent a steam cleaner at Walmart, and the steam cleaner plus the solution was going to run me $69, and they had this BISSELL unit on sale, normally $89, dropped to $79, and for Christmas it was on $69.88, I believe, and so I figured I would give it a try. So again, I wasn't really planning on doing a product review, but like most people working remote, I had to turn one of my little rooms or little bedroom into an office. So I pulled the carpet, I put some new carpet squares down, and I must say the carpet was killing me. The VOCs on this stuff combined with wearing a mask, I look like a damn teenager. But anyway, yeah, I just tried this out, and other than this little tank being very small, so I had to refill this about 4 times, but other than that, I'm actually quite impressed. So not sure how well this is coming out, but let me tell you, this little tank, that's pretty nasty. And so the actual brush power was really good. I mean, that's what it pulled up as far as the weave out of the carpet, and that's what it pulled out of the brand new carpet. I mean, it's only been in for a little while. So I would say for the price and for the performance, I'm definitely going to give this a thumbs up. So hope that helps anybody looking for the same thing. And as always, see you on the next one. You never know what I'm going to buy next.